Before you do any type of work with asphalt or mixing concrete, it's a great idea to coat the inside of the bucket or any part of the bucket that's going to see asphalt or concrete with a releasing agent first. This will make your cleanup a lot better, a lot easier, and the material will not tend to stick to the surfaces of the mega mixer. Once you have applied a generous amount to the inside of all the moving parts, do not forget about the discharge end. You'll need to raise the safety flap in order to get a good amount of releasing agent onto the auger and to the discharge spout, as well as the lift gate. All right, now we've applied our releasing agent, we are ready to mix asphalt. Good morning, Glenn Danuser with Danuser. We're here on site of the Christensen Asphalt Plant in Millersburg, Missouri. We're here, it is 32 degrees outside, December 15th, 2022. Real feels about 24 degrees. We have a temperature gun here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put some cold asphalt into the mega mixer, and then we're going to show how the mega mixer can move the cold asphalt around and then auger it out. So let's get started here. The bucket is showing 22.6 degrees. Okay, the cold pile of asphalt here is showing 29.3 degrees. All right, we have removed our safety grates just so that you can see better with the camera. We're going to go in, scoop this cold asphalt, mix it around, and then we'll discharge it out this discharge end. Looks like the owner of the plant was checking out the progress of the mega mixer. I got a pretty full scoop in here. We're a little over probably 3/4 of the yard capacity. It's coming out slow, but it's cold, folks. There she's moving. Look at that. Look at that. Now it's coming. Well, once we got all that weight starting to move down, she's now flowing really good. So the camera here, what's left in the bucket? I think it did a pretty good job for being 32 degrees, real feel 26. I'm just glad I'm in this heated cab. That'll be good. I can move it around. Thank you. Okay, so we just got a load of hot asphalt, fresh out of the plant. Let's see where we are. Let me get down so Justin can see this. 200 and, oh, it moved on me, but 261, 256. All right, now it is 11:45, so we're going to let it sit in this bucket and see how long it takes to cool it down. We'll check it back here in about 15-30 minutes, and then we'll report back to temperature, and then once we're finished with it, we'll auger it back out and show you it coming back out. Stay tuned. All right, so we're back at our hot asphalt pile. Just talking to the owner of the plant. We wanted to make sure we didn't let it sit in there too long. It's going to really crust over. When we shot the temperature, we were about 256, 261. Right now, we're at 130, but let's break it open and just see where we are. Ah, look at that. I had it at 2. I see it really cools off fast. 295. So let's try it again. 296 down in there. Now, I'm gonna get in. Justin, you take that. I'm gonna get in and move the auger around, kind of level this out, keep it moving a little bit. We'll keep progress reports, let you know where we are. We're 10 minutes in. There, now it's nice and leveled out, a little better. Okay, so we moved it a little bit. Let's just see what we got temp-wise going on in here. So about 154. 188. They told me when they put this mixture in, it was going to be about 340 degrees. But remember, folks, we're at 32 degrees here, real feel 26. Wind is blowing pretty good, so this is going to cool off quite fast. So you can see already, this here is starting to crust up on us. Now see that shovel, Justin? There we go. Okay, so time. It's been in this bucket for 10 minutes. Stay tuned, we'll come back to you. All right. 20 minutes since this asphalt was put into our mega mixer, hot, around 320, 340 degrees. Now, surface temp, 94. Let's shoot over here. 102 over here. Can you see in the bucket at least? I want you to come here and show the people this. Sucker's getting hard, folks. It's setting up pretty good. Now, I can still jab it in there. Now, when I jab her in, still 250 degrees down there. But let's face it, you're not going to pour hot asphalt in the mega mixer and let it stay here for 20 minutes doing patchwork in the summertime. Remember, it's 32 degrees out here. Real fill's around 26. I don't want this to become a big brick in the mega mixer. So I'm going to get in now, move that auger around, kind of loosen it up, see what it can do. All right, let's turn the auger in reverse. It's moving it, but it is getting stiff, folks. I think we're gonna get it out of here. I think we need to auger it out. Okay. All right, folks, it's time to auger this out. Justin, would you rig the gate for me? We're gonna have Justin rig the gate so it stays open so that I can try to get this sucker out of here now. All right, where we go? Let's see if we can get this out of here, folks. Ooh, there she comes. All right, so she's moving, so I'm gonna leave her in here. Okay, I just don't want to make sure it gets stuck in the bucket. So, because it's moving out, we'll let it continue to sit, and we'll keep reporting back to you. Keep in mind, we are now 25 minutes in the mega mixer, 32 degrees, real fill, 20 something, and look at this, now it's freaking snowing. So we'll be back with you in another few minutes. Oh boy, this might be the last video. All right, back on the scene. 35 minutes since the hot asphalt was dumped into the mega mixer. Surface temp, 74. She's moving down, folks. It's pretty crusty. See if we can even get in it. Ugh. Like about 4 layers off, 259. Golly, I can't believe how much heat this thing holds. So the mega mixer is a great insulator, by the way. So let's see if we can auger some of this out. There it goes. Woo, she's still moving. That's good news, folks. Don't really want a whole bucket of asphalt. Okay. So, we're still moving. That's great. But, in all reality, just like the owner of the Asphalt Plant said, no person doing asphalt repair or patchwork in ideal conditions is ever going to let hot asphalt sit into something like this mega mixer more than half an hour. And we are already now at 40 minutes. So we'll give it another 5 more minutes. Remember folks, 32 degrees, the wind is really going. We're starting to get some snow flurries. Real feel is around 26. That's what the phone said. So we'll check back in at full 45 minutes and let you know how we're coming along. All right folks, full 45 minutes. Hot asphalt in the Mega Mixer. I don't know if any smart asphalt repair guy is going to use this for patchwork. I mean, look at this thing. Check this out. Look at that. And it is cold. It's set up. Let's see what our temp is. 103. To 254. Wow. Unbelievable. All right, well, I think we've proved our point. The Mega Mixer can hold hot asphalt 45 minutes. We dig down 4 or 5 inches. I'm still 250 degrees, but you're not going to use hot asphalt for patchwork this long and into a material bucket like the Mega Mixer. So we're going to go ahead and auger this out so we don't get stuck with one big chunk of asphalt in the bucket, and we're going to wrap this up. There it goes. Took a little bit to get her started, but the old auger's churning away. Ooh, it's a beautiful sight right there. Look at the steam rolling off the Mega Mixer. Switch direction of the auger, go back the other way, kind of brust it up, take it back, there we go. That's what's nice about using that feature going forward and reverse with your auger. Reverse, forward, you can tell when I reverse that auger, it just breaks that crust up because you can see the steam just rolling out the top of the Mega Mixer. I think we might be empty, folks. Alright, so we'll back up, lower down, let me take a look inside. Alright, show the camera. We got her out. 45 minutes of hot asphalt into the Mega Mixer. 32 degrees, refill 26. We let it sit for about 10 minutes each time. But you can also see inside that bucket, the camera showed you how well that releasing agent works. I mean, with that releasing agent, we have very little asphalt sticking inside here. Cleanup is going to be a breeze with this thing. Now, if this is cold outside, I think I'll hook up the old power washer to the hot water heater at my house, and we'll get all this cleaned up. So, thank you, appreciate it. We're cold. Have a good day.